Ka jingdon kibrio kiboyo COVID-19 haga jala kala nangkiu arten namartang hak si thodiang kataru hapo kapor sau buji janmiet kiladon hadu arpenringot kiboyo thamai yote virus ki ki arpenringot kiboyo thamai ki kanthop ki khasaungot ki BSF bat khat arngot ki paiba katasan ngot na iska sales bat nyongot na riboy ha iska sales kiboyo yote virus ki dei boro ki brang suwan na bar jala katba ki nyongot na riboy ki dei sangot na baridwa bat arngot na pernihan kumbolong hadu menta ka iska sales ka dei ka district babon da kilai spa nyongot bakanthop yaki arspa lai penringot ki BSF khatsaungot ki sipai bat san phunyungot ki rupai ba ha kiwe pat grisik kari bohai kelanang ki umanta sakalai puingot is jantia arngot west garo hills prangot south garo hills arngot east garo hills iway bat north garo hills arngot ka jingdon ki bakoi pat kalong sau phukhandai ngot
untuk community spread mahadu untuk kaki lapo riwayat lapo district surveillance tempat ini ada information ni suspect ada community spread dengan yang namang kaning iyo ada benin bertahan ikan ya, ingin pecah orang tua. Tapi kemudian orang tak dapat curfew orang tidak impose curfew, diberi waktu di melakukan dengan cepat, diberi nama baru di melakukan cepat. Khanapara di index case sudah 61. Kini ki 9 mile, 10 mile, baru dua gitu berfak index case nomor 2 di Trade Factory. Index case itu balik customer sudah hati. Cuma kita selalu bayar harga kotor, bukan balik customer sudah hati. That is the index.
So kita hadu mentah kita Chukawati.
Ha, Clara Chukawati. Na por Assam Regimental Center idon Khandai mo. Begitu Phriang bilang yo menen ni. Phriang Khandai. Hadin pada na po rangmen tu way nok scope. R ki Air Force nok hat ban R pada gede Assam Rifle. Lapat saya tamangi ki SF. Sipai di gedang wan. Ada benin sipai dangwan, benin sipai jongan no lagi BSF, mo lagi BSF, real di Assam Regiment, but way BSF Assam Rifle. Barang toy mana hamba Sdang ni, Mister. So the reasons for that I see, most of them are returnees. They are coming, so they coming. I think they have already infected when they came here. BSF, we are sure that. They also, most of them it has spread inside the BSF campus. That's why you have declared that containment zone, containment area. But only one thing is BSF, they have stopped movement. So only those people who are there now, I think we have got a few left for the samples to come. Then I think that will be constant. And now we are testing all these people who have completed the 10-day, 14 days. So this figure will come down slowly now. Because we'll be testing for those, about 20 to 25 per day for those who will recover. The number of cases in East Kasians, so 14 is from BSF and 5 civilians. So it comes to 19. And these others are from Ribohai district.
Ribohai district but kili bungno doctor.
Ribohai district 5 from Baridua. And 2 we have added. We have given today morning also 2. Those we have admitted in RPHS hospital. Those we have brought from the entry point. Health workers working the entry point. 3 of them. So all 3 of them have become positive. So the last 2 which we are telling you now, 5 from Baridwa, another 2 of those health workers have come out positive.
This 5 from Baridwa, doctor, can you elaborate?
No, 5 from Baridwa, most likely they are these contacts from the specific cases which we had from 13 mile. So we suspect that there is a spread there. We suspect that there is a spread, but we are doing all the contact tracing. So if these contacts they don't come out positive, then there is no spread. If the contacts of these people not come out positive, then we know that there is a spread. Bulletin information for today up to 4 p.m. The total number of new positive cases is 26. So the total active cases now is 352. East Khasi Hills 307. In the East Coast Hills, we have BSF 236, others 57, Armed Forces 14, Rivoy District we have got 31, East Coast Hills 2,
East Jande
oh East Jande Hills, sorry, 2, West Garo Hills 8, South Garo Hills 2, East Garo Hills 1, and North Garo Hills 1. Recovered 49. The total number of samples sent till today 2 p.m. is 25,981. Number of persons tested negative 25,178. The situation can come high, not good. All over. If you agree with me, we must go away. Là vùng đông công đây bên mi sa ba, đây bên mi lấy cái đây bên mi lấy sayo sa hat tham đâm tinh đông tham này, thì lấy cái cái sa po yo sa hat năm lấy gì mà cả, là đã pure positive lấy contact tracing, kemudian ibahin cuma sem di sini, parlok pada jauh tapi, orang down the line, ni hambat just tu, tapi suara kai kita solusi, kau bukan orang mentah, thì kapalahi kalau ba yele ba chong ni but what yemi shabar mani shabaru biang kimas kat physical distance kani ngambe ko por bale tamasa mata ke hakut tamasa kan wan hatin ni hapan jenjar ka mata ni hapan jenjar ni kada nilam jenjar mata ida de ta kaman nilam jo